Let me tell you, AI function on LinkedIn Recruiter is the most hype thing ever and is the most basic thing that I've ever saw. I mean, I'm sorry for LinkedIn, but it's really, really basic. And in today's video, I wanted to teach you how to use it. Hi, this is Cornelia. Welcome to my channel. I'm working as a recruiter and I've been working for the last 4 years. And LinkedIn was the tool that I've used the most. And in today's video, I wanted to do a short tutorial about how to use AI function on LinkedIn Recruiter. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, so let's get straight into it. Using the AI function is basically using the filters in your LinkedIn Recruiter search, but using your own words and not wasting so much time putting all of the filters there or getting through all of the filters and see what will be the things that you will need in your search. So basically there are two types of searches. The first one is just search randomly for a specific professional. Then the second one is by creating a project for a specific search. And the projects on LinkedIn are basically folders with candidates for a specific position or for a specific search in a day. Let's try, for the sake of the example, to find a UI UX designer in Essen, Germany. And I can use this box right here to write everything with my own words and not writing them in all of the fields that LinkedIn is showing me to complete to create this project. And LinkedIn, or the LinkedIn algorithm, will show me all of the people that I need based on the information that I put there. So yeah, let's write for starters that I'm looking for a UI UX designer in Essen, Germany. Now you see all of the people that LinkedIn Recruiter showed me that it will be a good fit for the role that or for the criteria that I put there. Of course, I can add more and more and more. Let's say that I'm looking for a person that knows Figma and they should have around 4 years of experience. As you see, LinkedIn showed me all of this. I also wanted for them to have proficiency in German and English, so I'll write this as well. All of the criteria that I'm writing here will be added on top of the ones that I've already written before. They will sum on top of the other, and the LinkedIn Recruiter will try to show me candidates that will be better for the new criteria that I am putting there in the AI Recruiter search. Now, the nice thing about it is that you can also use the filters that you used before. You can go and use all of the filters there. Or let's see what will be some of the criteria that LinkedIn will show here, and of course help you finding people that will be better suited for the position that you are looking for. So you can add everything manually as well. Why I'm saying this is basic? Because you can do the same thing with knowing how to work with the filters from LinkedIn Recruiter. I mean, this is nice, let's say, and it's useful for people that don't know how to use LinkedIn Recruiter or for junior recruiters. So yeah, it's helpful for them because basically they only have to write there with their own words what they want and LinkedIn will show them. You need to be very, very specific about the things that you want AI function to put in your search. Because if I'm writing here that I want a person that speaks Russian, they will show me people that have Russian in their LinkedIn profile. But of course, I don't want a person that only speaks Russian in general. I want a person that has a professional level, right? So if I don't specifically write there that I want a professional level, with this AI search, LinkedIn will show me all of the people that have the word Russian in their profile, which is wrong. I'm not looking for this. That's why I prefer the filters, because there I have a lot of control in putting all of the criteria that I need, so the search can be narrowed down to all of the things that I'm actually looking for. And of course, LinkedIn should show me the candidates that I actually need. You can do the same thing with AI function that you do with the filters. The only difference is that you use your own words and not go and put all of the things that you need manually in that filter sections in your search. This is all. What is nice about the AI search is that they can recommend you some things, but now depending on the position that you are responsible for as a recruiter and on the specificity of skills that you are looking for in your candidates, all of that recommendations are not really the best. For example, they might recommend you to search in the cities near you, but you don't offer relocation package and you don't actually offer in your benefits, let's say, the opportunity to pay for a part of the relocation for the candidates that you might find in a city around the city that you have your office. So yeah, most likely the people won't be willing to relocate or to travel for 50 kilometers every day to go to work. So yeah, their suggestions are maybe nice, let's say, but sometimes, and yeah, depending on the case, they are a little bit useless. This will be, let's say, my tutorial with some of my opinions as well on top of this AI function search. I've used it before, and I can tell you that it shows me the same candidates that it's shown me while using the filters. It's nice if you are a junior or a person that never worked with LinkedIn Recruiter before in searching candidates. But if you have experience working with it and with all of the filter sections, basically it won't help you with anything. Maybe it will save you 1 or 2 minutes in searching and filling out all of the filters that you need in that filter sections when you want to search for specific candidates. This is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you a little bit in knowing how to do or how to work with that AI function on LinkedIn Recruiter. And if you're interested in more videos like it, just check one of my videos where I'm showing you how to use LinkedIn Recruiter, and I explain all of the filters there and how can you use them in your search if you are a recruiter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.